Hey y'all, hey. This is your girl, my lady, here at VK3 Reef and Things. I just decided what I am going to do with all of this leftover mesh. It's a lot of it, and I refuse to throw it away. Look how much they have on the roll. Some of it is practically a whole roll. So I am not throwing this away. But you know how we crafters are. We go to bed thinking. We wake up in the morning thinking. We walk around the house thinking, what can I do next? So I've been thinking about this for a while because I am just sick of the clutter. And I know I probably won't use this on a whole wreath. So I decided to make a wreath in a quilt form. So what I did is I bought this big 26-inch wreath frame over here. It's a 26 and a half that I am going to make my quilt form, wreath quilt form. As you can see, I brought some of my mesh over here. Look how much it have on these. A lot. Now, who wants to throw this in the trash? Not I. So I am going to compile all of my mesh. It could be spring, summer, Christmas, everyday, sports, any kind. I would be putting it on this frame. You remember when your grandmothers used to make the quilts and they get fabric and even clothes and cut them up from everywhere and make beautiful quilts. So I'm excited to see what this is going to look like. So I will be making this tomorrow. I'll probably start in the afternoon. And set your notifications so you know when I'm going live or when I'm uploading a video so you won't miss it. Because I am excited about this. So, set your notifications. Share, follow, subscribe. Do all of that stuff for me. Y'all come and check me out tomorrow when I'm starting on my beautiful 20. And then by the time I finish with it, it's a 26 and a half inch nail. Just imagine. It may be about 32, 34 inches when I finish with it. But this is going to be a big deal for me tomorrow, and I'm excited to come up with this. I've graduated a little bit when I first started making wreaths, so that's how I got all of this stuff, because I was just out there buying, and didn't know what I needed, what for, so I want to get rid of the clutter, and this is one way that I can use this, and I know it's going to turn out really pretty. I'm very optimistic about that, no matter what's the color. So this may be the first wreath in a quilt form. All right, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, share, thumbs up. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.